In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Adam in ElevenLabs. To start, open your browser, head to ElevenLabs.io, and log in. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard where all the tools live. From here, look for the voice library. This is where ElevenLabs showcases a wide range of ready-made voices you can use immediately, and it's the quickest path to finding Adam. Inside the voice library, you can browse the list or use the search bar to save time. Type Adam and let the results load. You should see Adam appear among the available voices. Take a moment to click into the voice profile if it's available. Listening to a short sample can help confirm you've found the tone and clarity you're after. If there are multiple results with similar names, the preview will help you choose the right one. When you're ready, click him Add or select. This action adds Adam to your workspace and makes the voice available for your text-to-speech projects. You don't need to do anything complicated here. Once selected, Adam will be ready to use in the text generation area. Before you generate audio, it's a great idea to fine-tune the voice settings. Locate the stability and style controls. Stability governs how consistently the voice delivers your text. Higher stability tends to sound more steady and controlled, while lower stability introduces more variation and spontaneity. Style focuses on expressiveness, shaping how lively or neutral the delivery feels. If you're unsure where to begin, start near the default values and make small adjustments. Subtle tweaks can make a big difference, and you can always come back to refine these settings after a quick test. Next, type or paste your script into the text box. Keep your text clean and well punctuated. Commas and periods guide pacing, while paragraph breaks can signal natural pauses. If your script is long, consider generating it in sections so it's easier to review and revise. When everything looks good, click Generate. The system will process the text and produce an audio preview. Listen through and check for pronunciation, pacing, and overall tone. If something feels off, nudge the stability or style sliders and regenerate a short segment to compare. Finally, when you're happy with the result, download the audio file. Save it to a clear folder and give it a descriptive name so you can find it later. That's all there is to it. Log in, find Adam in the voice library, select it, adjust your settings, generate your audio, and download. Enjoy creating with Adam in ElevenLabs.